Celebrity Big Brother's Natalie Nunn seems to be stirring up more drama outside of the house than when she was in it, and her latest spillage of so-called tea is quite something. Natalie, who was first to be given the CBB boot, has told The Sun that she thinks Dan Osborne and Gabby have had sex, also claiming that the two obviously want each other. In a series of bombshell theories, Natalie revealed how Dan and Gabby play Spin the Bottle and Truth or Dare every single night. Advertisement. Continue reading below. Related. Celebrity Big Brother's Natalie Nunn thinks fans will regret voting her out for calling one game. Natalie said, "They asked Dan, if the world would end tomorrow and you had to have sex with someone in the house, who would it be? He said of course Gabby, but that's not all the evidence Natalie has apparently gathered," as the Bad Girls Club star went on to say that she has put two and two together after seeing them together. "I think Dan and Gabby have slept together," she admitted. "Whether it was in Spain I don't know." Speaking of Spain, Natalie went on to say that Dan had referenced a trip he and Gabby took earlier this year that soon became the backdrop for cheating allegations, which the pair both deny. "We dared Gabby to kiss Dan on his inner thigh," Natalie said. She said, "I don't want to do that," and he said, "It wouldn't be anything different from when we were in Spain." No disrespect to Natalie's amateur detective skills, of course, but we think her putting two and two together may have just given her 5. Channel 5 declined to comment when contacted by Digital Spy. Celebrity Big Brother continues tonight, August 30th, at 9 p.m. on Channel 5. Want up to the minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our Digital Spy Instagram and Twitter account.